Welcome back to my channel. After a long time I'm uploading a video, or basically making a video. This is a second part of the previous video which I've made on the unboxing of this beautiful watch, which is Noise Colorfit Pro 3. Hence today what I am going to do is pretty simple. I will be showing you how to install this particular software onto your mobile phone. If you have an Android, this is an Android. If you have an Android, I'll show you the technique of doing it. I have already installed the same on my iOS. Hence, I will also be showing you the process of, customizing the entire watch according to your requirements that I'll show you. Hence, let's get straight into the video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that all my videos reach you on the very first go itself. Now guys, as the application or the box says that you have an option of getting the Noise Color Fitbit Pro software onto your Android and as well as iOS, the options are available. You can simply go to Google Play Store from your Android device, or you can go to Apple Store from your iOS device, and you can simply type on Color Fitbit Pro 3 Noise, whatever you want to, and you can download the software. Or else you can simply scan this QR code, and the QR code will take you directly to the software from where you can install it. Hence, if I show you on my iOS system, this is how the installed software would look like. I don't know how clear it is. This is called the Noise software. You simply have to go to Apple Store, which is an option here on your iOS. Search Noise Color Fitbit Pro 3 and you can simply download the same. Once downloaded, what you need to do is pretty simple. You need to switch on your Apple, I'm so sorry, it's not Apple, your Noise smartwatch. You simply have to long press this button and the watch will switch on. Once the watch switches on, you simply keep it aside very close to your mobile phone on which you have installed the software, and you just have to open this wonderful software, which is Noise Fit. Once you have opened this particular software, it will ask you for number of things similar to you signing into your new account. So you can simply do it with your mobile number, or else you can do it through your email ID. Once you have installed that software, you have logged in, you simply have to go to settings option. From the setting option, you got to edit in your information. So all your details like your gender, your date of birth, in which particular way you want the system to show you the readings, whether it is metric or any other, your height, your weight. It will ask you for all the details, because it will then customize everything accordingly. So be very careful while you are giving all your inputs, because if you give a wrong input, then initially it will show you wrong results. Once you have done that, your system or the software is connected with your watch. Once it's connected, you will be able to see the timing, the dates, and all other features. So let me stop the video here, because this seems to be a little complicated. What I'll do to make it much more easier, I will install a fresh software onto my Android, and then I will show you how it is done. So now once you have opened up the particular installed software from your system, the user interface is going to look like this. The first screen will talk you about the distance you have covered for the particular day, the number of steps which you have taken against the target that you have set in while you have installed the software, the number of or the amount of calories you have burned. So this is basically all your data which this Noise app is going to record and keep you informed about. Once you go to the next option, which is called a shop option, once you click on it, as the name suggests, you will be redirected to a particular location in the software, which will talk about all the Noise products which you can buy online. Then the activity mode will talk about from the day when you have purchased this particular item and you have installed the software, from that day till now what you have done so far. Then the most important aspect from this particular software is the watch face. If you click on the watch face, you will be able to see a number of interface of the watch, the front, I would say the front face of the watch, the way you want it, that's there. You simply need to download these are all free. You simply have to click on any of these. You have a download option here. You simply need to download that. It's already downloaded, so you need to click on update face, watch face. Once you click on update watch face, the particular watch face would change. Let me show you how it is. This is my current watch face and this is what I wanted. Hence, if I click on update watch face, this is going to download it. Once it is downloaded, this is all free. Once it downloaded, this will automatically change the watch face that I have presently on the watch. So you can see it's getting downloaded. Depends on how much speed is your internet connection. So it's almost 99% done. And it stops because in India you get an internet connection which is quite fast, and for that reason, okay, now you can see this is installing the new watch face here. So it's automatically getting connected. It's done. It gives you a vibration mode and your watch face is now changed. This is that easy. So if you're using this particular software, it is very easy to change or customize the watch face according to your requirements, whatever you want. It's all there. Apart from that, the last option which you have, so you have multiple watch faces up here. So the last option which you have is called a setting option. In that setting option, you will have again a number of FAQs to tackle. You have some tutorial how to see or how to install the software. The videos are all there. Contact support options are all there. So these are all your basic requirements or help that you really want. I would really recommend that there is an option which is called a warranty registration. I have done my registration, so hence it is not reflecting as undone. So once you have installed this software, simply click on this warranty option, select the place from where you have bought this particular watch and give the serial number. Now, where do you find the serial number? This was pretty, tricky for me. Which one was the serial number? If you have the box, these are not your serial numbers which you see here. So you simply need to take this packet out. Once you have taken this packet out at the, let me show you. Once you have taken this packet out, you will have is this one is yours, serial number which starts with a alphabet and ends with a number of digits. Okay, so this is your serial number. You simply have to put the serial number here and you have to click on submit. Once you submit it, your warranty registration gets submitted. So this is very simple, very easy to do. This is all about your the software. If you are using it and you are getting your watch customized with this particular software through your iOS or Android, this is how you do it. But the same options are also available on your watch and those are pretty awesome. So let us get straight into that video and show you how it is done. Okay, now let's talk about the watch. If you press it once, it gets, the main watch face gets highlighted. It's pretty simple. Now there are multiple options. If you press it once and if you scroll up, this is going to give you a quick access to your night mode, your wrist wake, which is basically if you move your wrist, the watch is going to function as well. So it's going to track your wrist movement. You got an option of brightness. If you click on this, the brightness will increase and automatically decrease. And this is finding your phone, which is connected through your software. So this is one option that you get. Now, if you again press it twice, so you'll get an option which talks about your goals, sports mode, your heart rate or heartbeat, monitoring, level, stress level, your blood oxygen level. It will talk about the amount of breathing you are doing, the amount of sleep, which is again adjusted. Weather, if I click on the weather, it's going to show you today's weather, which is synchronized with the system itself as per as my location. Music player, you will only be able to control the music player and your messages if you are using it on iOS, and your iOS has to be 13 and above. That is one catch of it. So please keep it in mind, if you're using it with your Apple phone, your Apple has to be 13 and above to have all the features activated. Then you have a soft stopwatch, you have alarm, you have got a timer, you have got records, you have got find the phone again, and you have got the settings option. Now from the setting option, if I click, you have the different options again, which talks about a wrist wake. So if I click on the wrist wake, so once my movement is there on the wrist, the phone is going to show the timing. You have got a real time heart rate monitoring, device, which is already on, do not disturb. Watch faces, brightness again you can control from settings. Restart, power off, reset the entire system so it gets unpaired. And you have got about, which will talk about the version and the model and the name of the brand which you are using. Now if I go to the watch face option, which we have done it from the system itself or the software, once I click on the watch face, you have different watch faces which are also available here. So you simply have to scroll, and as per as your liking, you simply have to click on any of the watch faces. So let's take an example. I like this watch face. I'll click on it, and now the watch face has changed spontaneously. So it doesn't take a lot of time. So if I lock it, just after 5 to 8 seconds, as per as you have adjusted, this will go off. Once it is off, you will be able to see, if I click on this, the watch face has changed. Now if I scroll right, on the right you will be able to see your records of today's achievement, how many steps you have done, kilometers, your calories, what was your maximum heartbeat for the time or for the day, how much stress you have gone through. If you have went outdoor for running, there are more options like outdoor walking, outdoor running, outdoor cycling, walking, indoor cycling, elliptical, rower. So there are multiple options to go through. So what it basically does is it basically records your movement according to the mode that you have selected. Then you have the weather as well, and it goes back to the front screen directly. If I scroll it from the top, it is going to show you any records of any voicemail or messages which you have accumulated over the time, if you have not received or you have not seen it. So that also gets recorded. So the watch is pretty simple to use and very user friendly. Noise has made this watch extremely useful and competent enough to be with your iOS and as well as your Android. So how to install the software in your Android, I will attach a video along with this at the end, which will be helpful for you if you are an Android user. So it will be very useful how it looks like, how you install it, and what are the features the Android also has. So this was all about the video. Hope you have liked it. So it was pretty simple, straightforward video to make you understand how you need to install it and what are the features that this wonderful noise fit Colorfit Pro 3 is basically providing. Hence, if you are new, subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so that the videos go straight on to your channel or into your inbox at the very first. For till now, goodbye. So now let me show you how it's done. It's pretty simple. You simply have to go to Play Store if you are there in Android, and you need to search Colorfit Pro 3 app. You write it down. Let's write it down. COLOR Colorfit Pro 3 app, and you click on the search button. Once you click on the search button, you will have an option which is called Noise Fit Health and Fitness. You simply have to click on it and you have to install this software, which is a 36 MB file. This takes few seconds depending on your internet connection. As I said, that India is a place where you have got wonderful internet connections. So it takes a little bit of time according to your internet connectivity to get it installed and downloaded, and then installation takes place automatically in your Android device. So I will not cut this video in between because I like to show you the entire process of it, even if it takes a minute or two more, because if I cut it, then people might think that I have edited this video and I have made it little faster enough, or maybe I have not faced any glitch somewhere. So hence it got downloaded and now it's getting installed in the mobile phone. This is an Android mobile phone. This will basically tell you how it is. So once it's out installed, it's going to give you an update. It depends on your mobile phone. Now let's open up this app. So once you open up this app, this is how the user interface is going to look like. It will give you an application or an, sorry, I won't say application. This application is going to give you some advertisements. This is very common. Allows NoiseFit to access this device location. Yes, you are going to allow it. Close this particular, advertisement. Enable auto start to run the app in background. Please enable auto start from NoiseFit. Enable auto start. So I have done that as well. So let me see how many applications do I have. There's a lot of application. I need to find Fitbit. So I don't know, it's automatically done. Fine, now you need to do is pair a device or you need to log in. So if you click on sign up, you will be taken up to a place where you can log in through or sign up through your Gmail ID or your mail ID or through your Facebook. That's up to you how you do it. Or you can simply click on pair a device. So once you click on pair a device, this is going to search for the noise Fitbit Pro smartwatch, which was already in the video which I have shown, that you need to switch it on and keep it very close to your mobile phone so that they get paired successfully. Once they are paired successfully, then whatever you have seen in the video through my iOS device, the same features and the same user interface is going to be on your Android.